Welcome to this DelphStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix this particular error in Slack. This error is usually a temporary internal request or connection issue that appears when Slack cannot process a request correctly. This can happen because of network, cache, or server problems. First, restart Slack in your computer to refresh the connection and clear temporary glitches. Next, check your internet connection and make sure your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection is stable. After that, clear the Slack cache. If you are using the Slack desktop app, clear the app cache and relaunch it. If you are using Slack in the browser, clear your browser cookies. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete, then select Cookies, Site Data, Cached Images, and Files. Then click Delete Data. Once that is done, sign out of your account and sign back in to refresh your session. Next, disable any VPN or proxy you are using because they can sometimes interrupt Slack requests. They may also cause connection failures. After that, update Slack to the latest version because older versions may contain bugs that are fixed in newer updates. Finally, check Slack server status by going to slackstatus.com. If Slack services are temporarily down, you may need to wait until the issue is resolved on their side. In most cases, this error disappears after refreshing the connection, clearing cache, or waiting for Slack services to recover. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelphStack tutorial video.